What a dream. God, why did I get such a dream? What could be the meaning of this dream? Begum? Hey, Begum. Begum.
Huh? What? What happened?
Begum, I'm feeling very uncomfortable.
What is troubling you?
Listen, I had a very upsetting dream.
You only had a dream. So there's nothing to worry about.
It's not like that. They fell off.
What?
Begum, my teeth fell off.
Huh? What? Your teeth fell off? Let me see.
No, Begum, not really. In the dream.
They only fell off in your dream. So let them fall. Now let me go to sleep.
Please listen to me.
Let me sleep now, or I shall turn your dream into a reality.
Huh?
Akbar could not sleep a wink the whole night, trying to find the meaning of his dream. At the crack of dawn, he told his servant in the palace,
You go immediately and get all the astrologers in the city here. I have very important work with them.
Your Highness, shall I get Birbal here too?
Just go and do as I order to you. Rest can be attended to later.
As you say, sir.
The servant goes out into the city and gets hold of two astrologers and brings them to the palace.
Your Highness, I could get only these two astrologers in the city.
Okay.
Tell us, my lord, in what way can we be of use to you? Om Namah Shivaya, Om Namah Shivaya.
Pandit ji, last night I had a unique dream.
Unique? Then Guru must be playing.
Who is this Guru?
Not any Venus who lives here. Up there. I mean in the sky. Venus, Mars, Pluto, Saturn, you know. Let us understand what the Emperor has to say.
Oh, yes, please tell me, Lord.
I dreamt that I had lost my all teeth except one. That is why I have become very restless.
Oh, restless. It means moon is at play.
Let it be. You please tell me the meaning of this dream.
Who? Will you explain, Shukracharya ji, or should I?
If you wish to explain, please go ahead and do it.
Barring one tooth, the rest fell off, is it? Your Highness, did you dream of this while you were awake or while sleeping?
It is a dream, Buddhacharya ji. It is seen only while sleeping.
Is it so? What I meant is, some kings have seen dreams even while being awake. This I have read in history.
Okay. Now tell me the meaning of this dream.
Oh, yes, I'll tell. Barring one tooth, the rest fell off, which is the sun exalted, the moon in low home, and Rahu is looking over. Inauspicious.
What?
Very inauspicious.
Ram.
All your relatives will die before you, my lord. And after that, you will have to live all alone. There is no solution to this problem, Your Majesty.
Panditji.
Hence, whatever comes up has to be accepted.
Fool! You're saying such unpleasant things to me despite living in my kingdom? Is this your knowledge? Wait, you shall be severely punished for this.
But, Your Majesty, what I...
Listen, remove him from the kingdom and keep whipping him while doing so.
No, my lord.
Come on,
Please,
Panditji.
please.
Whatever comes up has to be accepted. Take this.
Please look, Shukracharya ji. Please look into astrology book. Please let me know what you think is the meaning of my dream.
Bacha Salamat, I have brought the wrong astrology book by mistake, you know.
What?
I will go home immediately and get the correct astrology book. Then I will explain you whatever you want.
Okay. Come as early as possible.
Shukracharya ji, upon leaving the palace, went straight to Birbal's house. As only Birbal had the intelligence to answer the emperor's dilemma. Shukracharya explained everything to Birbal and he said,
Birbal ji, the meaning given by Buddhacharya to the emperor is the right one. And my teacher has taught me never to lie. Now what should I do? If I tell the truth, I'll be in trouble. And if I lie, I'll again be in trouble.
There is no reason for you to be worried, O learned one. Please give the explanation to the emperor exactly the way I tell you to do, okay? Come here. Just tell the king that you...
When Shukracharya entered the palace, Akbar was very worried. The emperor asked,
Well, Shukracharya ji, have you brought the correct book?
Yes, my lord. I will tell you the meaning shortly. If one but all of your teeth have fallen off, it means Lord's grace, Shani's grace, and Rahu's acceptance. Jahapna,
What is it?
what a dream you had! Great!
What?
Yes, my lord. One needs to be blessed to get such a dream, my lord.
What are you trying to say?
You are 1 in a million, my lord.
But what happened?
What happened? Jahapna, amongst all your relatives, you will live the longest. Very shortly, you will never have any kind of trouble from any of your relatives.
Upon hearing this, the much worried Akbar said with happiness,
Shukracharya ji, you are very smart person.
It is all due to his blessings, Jahapna.
Sevak, give this man 2 pearl necklaces and 200 gold coins immediately.